Do you know how to check diodes for measure whether a diode's still good or damaged using a multimeter? If you don't, let me show you something. This is very useful for you beginners and this is very simple to do. Let's go. First thing I want to tell you what it's diodes. Diodes is electronic component that's function for make a change from AC current become to DC current, and diodes have two pin. And alright, the first pin is anode, right? This is anode, and the second pin is cathode. For make it different, cathode pin have marked by the ring like this. This is a ring for market this cathode pin. Alright, back to how to check diodes for measure that diodes condition still good or not using a multimeter. Alright, here I'm using a digital multimeter like this, and if you using a analog multimeter, it's okay, that's okay, not difference at all. The first one you have to do is change the selector on multimeter comes to diodes mode or continuity mode like this, right? I make it zoom, right here. This is a diode mode and continuity modes, right? And the first one, we have to calibrate the multimeter, right? You see, multimeter showing like this. It's mean multimeter short or connected. This probe connected or short, right? Alright, back to diodes. You have to do is put the red probe to anode, right? And the negative probe or black to cathode pin like this. Right, multimeter can read this diode have a resistance for 400. Alright, not 400, but this diode have a resistance 387. Alright, until here we know the resistance of diodes, right? The second step, you have to turn back around each other. Put the red probe to cathode and the black probe to anode. This like this. Now, you see the multimeter not showing anything. It's mean this diodes still good. Why I can speak like that? Because diodes make a change from AC current become to DC current, and you know DC current have one direction current. It's mean different with AC current have two direction of current, right? Alright, the most important when you check diodes or measure diodes with a multimeter, you need to know this. When you measure diodes like this, you have to make sure this diode have a resistance. This is diodes have a resistance 389. It's mean this diode have a resistance, not short, right? If you measure a diodes and multimeter showing like this 000 or 001 like this, it's mean diodes is going to damage, mean that diodes can't be using again. Because if we using a short diodes to circuit board, it will make a circuit become too short at all, because diodes is active component is active when a current comes to this component, right? That's very simple how to check diodes, to measure diodes condition still good or not using a multimeter. Once more, if you using analog multimeter, it's okay. Checking, it's the same, not difference at all. Hope you enjoy with this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and press like subscribe button video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate that. See you and bye bye.